welcome or welcome back. I'm sure we've all been to the store and we see those really pretty trendy blankets that are super fluffy that remind you of marshmallows or clouds. Have you ever wanted to crochet one? We'll be doing a 2-row repeat, so feel free to flip on your favorite TV show. And I found the ultimate yarn combination. For the ultimate fluff, we're going to be using Bernat Baby Blanket in white and any Big Twist Posh yarns. I will be using it in the shade Mint Chip today. And you will need a 6.5mm hook. And as always, feel free to head over to my Etsy shop if you want the full written pattern, which will be available on October 4th. I did choose to add some trim and tassels to my blanket, so if you would like the tutorial on how to do that, please comment below. Grab your hooks and let's get started. And then you're going to insert your hook, and we're going to chain in multiples of 3 with 2 additional chains at the end for turning. For this tutorial, I'm going to be chaining 17. Feel free to go ahead and just chain as many as you want for the width of your desired project.
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to add an additional 2. How many do I have? 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so I have 15, so I'm going to add 2 extra, giving it 17.
For row 1, you are going to do double crochet starting at the 5th chain from the hook. So count down 5.
And the 5th chain, this is the 5th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yarn over,
and we're going to be doing a double
insert your hook, pull through, go through the first 2 loops, yarn over, go through the next 2 loops. And now we're going to repeat that for every single chain on our foundation row. And you're going to meet me at the end.
All right, we are on our last double crochet.
Now we have 1 stitch left, and we're going to go through 2 of our loops, and we are not going to finish off the last 2. We're going to change our color. All right, I'm going to go ahead and slip my new color on and pull through. Now I'm just going to turn my work, and I'm going to do a single crochet on that first stitch. All right, so there is our single crochet. All right, and now we're going to be working in between our double crochets. And we're going to be doing a half double crochet in between every third one, starting between the first and the second. So we're skipping that first one, and then we're going to skip that last one at the very end. So again, I yarned over. This is a half double crochet. Pull through all. Chain 2. Skip 3 posts. 1, 2, 3. Half double crochet. Chain 2. 1, 2. Skip 3 posts. 1, 2, 3. Half double crochet. Chain 2. Skip 3 posts. Half double crochet. Chain 2. Skip 3 posts. And we're at the end. So we are actually just going to do a single crochet at the end because we want to keep everything kind of symmetrical and even. So we're going to not even finish it. We're going to go ahead and grab our new color, the white, and then we're going to attach it. All right, now we're going to start row 3. We're going to just turn our work now. I like to give it a nice pull. Move the little tail out of the way. All right, we're going to do a single crochet and chain 2. And now we're going to do 3 double crochets in each of our chain 2 spaces all the way down until you get to the end. Now that we're at the end, we're going to do a double crochet into that last single crochet spot. And then we are not going to finish off our double crochet. We are going to change colors back to attach your plush yarn. Now we're going to turn our work and start row 4. And this is the exact same thing that we did when we used this color before. You're going to single crochet into that first stitch, and then between the first 2 double crochets, you're going to do a half double crochet, chain 2, skip 3 double crochet posts, and now you're just going to repeat rows 3 and 4 until you have reached the desired length of your project. And as you can see, there is an extra post at each end. I think that helps keep everything uniform and everything lined up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow for more.